Today, prominent political, social and religious scholars along with accountants and other esteemed supporters of Britain gathered in the Mayor's Parlour with Brent Mayor Councillor Tariq Dar, OBE. The meeting addressed a range of pressing issues concerning both Britain and Pakistan. Participants included Ashraf Chughtai, Chaudhry Aslam, Syed Sadat Hussain Shah, Raja Akram, Anwar Mahmud Dar, Amjad Amin Bobby, Khalid Dar, Mian Asif, Muhammad Kamran Chughtai, Mian Asif Aslam Chughtai and Shamsh Hanif.
Says, I've discovered Brent that I never knew existed. Some of the places, Brent and beyond. It's been a pleasure, it's been an honor to be first citizen of Brent. There have been many other Pakistanis too, and I'm sure there will be many more in the years to come. Now we'll have a small symbolic award ceremony, and then we'll have a cup of tea, and we've got all the time to talk about the past and the future. But thank you for coming along.
During the event, Mayor Tariq Dar also presented recognition certificates to the members of the delegation in acknowledgement of their contributions.